why don't we cut? No.
Okay. Take 3. Take 5.
It's hard for me. I don't get it. Why is everybody making such a big deal? You pull it, it snaps back. You pull it, it snaps back. This locking mechanism, revolutionary. It's a Star Wars Han Solo mask. It's an I am your father mask. It is everything you ever wanted mask. We might be getting carried away. So let's make sure that we're not diving into the frivolous and working out what's actually real. So the only way to do that is to get hands on and go to the operating room. Let's cut this guy up and see what it looks like inside. But before I do that, let me just set the scene real quick. Last week we released a full review on this brand new Fisher and Paykel Solo face mask. It's been described as being like a seatbelt, but what does that really mean in real terms? We're not driving a car here, we're going to sleep at night and trying to catch some Z's. So why don't we cut it up, take a look to see how this works on the inside for real. You don't have to go ahead and buy a mask to do this yourself at home. I'll do this here right for you. You're welcome. And also, while we're there, I've got a decibel meter and we're gonna see how loud this is. All right, all set. Here goes with the Solo. Okay, this is the ESON 2, also by Fisher and Paykel. So there we go, guys. Hopefully that was fun for you to see. I enjoyed doing that kind of experiment, getting a bit hands-on. It's pretty cool. But what was our actual takeaways from that? Well, first and foremost, the locking mechanism. I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. It glides smoothly, it's quiet, it fits any kind of size. When I was putting this on, it took me a few seconds. I didn't have to mess around with straps. Big thumbs up there. The decibel noise level, it was kind of high, definitely higher than the other one we tested. So if you are particularly sensitive to that, do consider that. But as another alternative for people who like nasal masks, I do feel like this is a bit of a winner. Best mask in the galaxy? Well, that's up to you to decide. Subscribe to the channel. We'll do some more things like this in future, and I'll see you next time.